guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and welcome to the coupon insert preview for Sunday. So I wanted to get you guys ready for what coupons we're going to be getting in our Sunday inserts on March 15th, and if it's going to be worth it to buy inserts or if it's going to be worth it to buy multiple newspapers with the inserts in them, if there's going to be some really good high value coupons. So a lot of you ask me as well where I get my inserts. I usually get them at CVS, either CVS, Walgreens, or if I'm going late in the day and they're both sold out, then I'll go over to Publix and I'll grab a newspaper. They are $4, and then they'll come with the inserts, of course, as well. So I buy a newspaper almost every single weekend. There's maybe been 1 or 2 weekends in the last 8 or 9 months that I passed on it because there'd be just maybe one insert and it really just wouldn't have that much going on. There are some great coupons coming in this next insert on Sunday, so I will at least be buying one insert or one newspaper. You can buy inserts individually online, which would be cheaper than buying the entire newspaper if you're only buying it for the inserts. The 2 websites I use are linked in the description box of every single one of my videos. It's clip2save.com and thecouponmarketplace.com. So those are the 2 websites that I use. Clip to Save usually takes a while to get to me when they ship. I am in Florida. The coupon marketplace is located, I think, in Tampa. So I usually get those coupons when I order it from them in about 2 days. So that's my preferred website. They're also cheaper. Of course, it depends on what region you guys are in and how long it would take for shipping, if that would be a better option for you. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button for all the different money saving tips and deals that I post for you all almost every single day. So let's dive into the inserts. We are going to be getting 2 inserts on Sunday. One is going to be the Smart Source and one is going to be the RetailMeNot. The following week, what's the following week, Sunday's date? We are going to be getting just 1 insert. So March 21st, we're only getting 1 insert. So depending on what coupons are in there, I may take a pass. But March 28th, we're going to be getting 4 inserts because we're going to be getting our April P&G on the last Sunday of March. So that will definitely be a great time to stock up and get at least 1 or 2 newspapers. So for the Smart Source, this is going to be one of the inserts. We are getting Afrin $2 off 1. Some of these show the expiration dates as well. I am getting this coupon insert preview from hotcouponworld.com. We're getting some Alka-Seltzer coupons. There was some great Ibotta rebates. I did an Ibotta haul today, which everything I got was completely free and a moneymaker. If you didn't see that video yet, I will have it linked in the description box as well as after the video. Some Ibotta accounts got $2 or $3 back on Alka-Seltzer. My account did not have that, unfortunately. It would have been a great moneymaker. But hopefully with getting new coupons here, maybe we'll get some great Ibotta rebates to match up with that and possibly get them free or a moneymaker. Cadbury eggs with Easter right around the corner, of course. There is $1 off 3, or the Reese's eggs multi-packs, 4.8 ounce or larger. We're getting some Claritin coupons. Clorox. I know a lot of people are buying up a ton of Clorox and Lysol products, trying to stay as clean as possible with the coronavirus going around. So that's awesome that we're going to be getting some great coupons. Clorox, $1 off 2 Scentiva products. There is on coupons.com right now. I did check this morning. It was still available. $1 off of 1 for the Scentiva wet wipe product. So you want to make sure that you print that one out as well. And we're going to be getting one in Sunday's paper. So that would be a way to stock up. You would have 2 coupons if we have some great deals going on. I will be doing the ad preview for Walgreens and CVS tomorrow. Colgate, we're finally getting $2 coupons for the Total, Optic White Advance, Renewal, Zero, Enamel Health, so on and so forth. The Colgate Zero, there are really great deals on Ibotta and on Shopkick. So that was one of the deals that I did today. If you're using both and you're doing the Colgate Zero mouthwash as well, it can be a nice moneymaker. We're getting a $2 off 1 Colgate mouthwash or mouth rinse. $2 off 1 360 twin pack for the toothbrushes. $1 off 2 toothpaste, 3 ounce or larger. and then a 50-cent off one toothpaste as well. And these obviously aren't going to last too long. They are expiring the following Sunday, so those coupons will only last a week. Edge, $1 off one Skintimate, Schick Hydro or Shave Gel. There are some Ibotta rebates for Edge and Skintimate right now as well. Fiber One, 50 cents off 2. General Cereals, $2 off of 4. We are getting Irish Spring coupons again, $1 off 1. Sometimes these are regional, just depends. I know last time they came in the paper, my region did not get them. So fingers crossed that we do get them this time. $1 off 1 is a really great deal. When these coupons come around, we usually get great deals at CVS and sometimes Walgreens as well. So we'll have to check the ad previews tomorrow and see how that goes. Ken's Simply Vinaigrette and Ken's Dressings, couple coupons there. Milani, we are getting some Milani coupons, which is awesome. The current week, there is a good deal on Milani, part of CVS for the spend 100 on cosmetics. Get $20 off with that instant coupon. So hopefully we'll still have more deals for Milani next week that we can pair that in with at CVS. Philips Laxative or Philips Colon Health, we're getting some coupons. More Reese's Candy, $2 off of 3 for the Easter. Hershey's Kisses, Miniatures, Eggs, Jolly Ranchers, so on and so forth. Revlon, we're getting some more coupons. 4 off 2 or 4 off of 1 for the Total Color. $2 off the Root Erase, $1 off 2 hair color. So no cosmetic coupons. Hopefully those will come around again. Schick Hydro or Schick Quattro, $4 off 1. There are some Ibotta rebates for Schick currently as well. So pairing that in with a Walmart deal and these coupons could make it for a really cheap deal to go ahead and grab. Slim Fast, $2 off 1. We have Speed, $1 off 2 Ladies Speed Stick or Men's Speed Sticks. We're getting 2 different coupons, which is awesome. And then Super Pretzel, Theratears, and You by Kotex. We're getting some coupons back for You by Kotex, which is great. Now for the RetailMeNot insert. So we are getting back $1 off of any all detergent product, $2 off the all liquid, the 88-ounce size or larger. There are Ibotta rebates for that as well. Caress, $1 off 1 body wash. We're getting a lot of Dove coupons, tons and tons. So we have $1 off 1 beauty bar, 75 cents off 1 beauty bar, $1 off 1 body wash, which is great. In that Walgreens beauty bag, if you did the Walgreens beauty event last week, we got a $2 off 1 Dove body wash coupon. So hopefully we'll get some great deals at Walgreens that we can pair up with some of these Dove body wash coupons. It's sometimes slim when we get some good Dove deals with the body wash, so hopefully we can stock up next week. $1.25 off 1 body wash, $1.50 off 1 Dove clinical deodorant. Even Tone, we have some hair care products as well. 2 off 2 hair care, 4 off 2 Men Plus hair care. That's a really good coupon. $1 off 1 Men Plus Care body wash or bar soap. $1.50 for men's Dove deodorant and $1 off 1 shower foam. Tons and tons of Dove coupons. That is awesome. Garnier, we have a buy 1 Garnier Fructis treat shampoo or conditioner and get that minute hair mask, get that free. So hopefully we can pair in a good deal with that. Sometimes CVS has really good deals on Garnier. Hillshire, we have some Knorr $1 off 2 ready to heat products. I did see a Peely on the Knorr ready to heat products as well. It was the same value, $1 off 2. Mars, $1 off 2 for the chocolate and Starburst jelly beans. Oh my God, I love those so much. They're so good. And look what we are getting back. Nexxus coupons, $5 coupons. So amazing. Definitely recommend buying a couple of these coupons. I'm going to be getting them on the couponmarketplace.com. So that way we can pair them in at CVS and Walgreens. What they'll usually have when this coupon comes around is spend 20, get a $10 extra buck for CVS, or get 10,000 points back for Walgreens. So when you use 2 of these, you can get them for as little as like $2.49 per bottle, which is awesome. Pond's, we have $1.50 off 1. There's a Shopkick rebate for Pond's right now. Pure, we have a couple different coupons for the protein shakes and powders. Purina Cat Chow, there is a printable coupon of this currently on coupons.com, I believe, as well. Quilted Northern, 50 cents off one, kind of poopy. Simple, buy one cleanser or moisturizer, get one simple 25 count wipes. It doesn't say get one free, but I'm assuming it's get one free. That is a really great deal. On Saving Star, we have a ton of rebates for the simple products, and they expire on April 1st. So we have $1 back on the micellar water, $2 back on the moisturizer. So if you use this coupon, you can buy the moisturizer product, get $2 back on Saving Star for that. Then you would get that simple product absolutely free, which would be a really, really great deal. St. Ives, $1.50 off one face care body lotion. Snuggle, we're getting $1 off one product. Sundown Vitamins, some coupons here as well. A Target store coupon, free $5 Target gift card with Purina pet food, treat, and or litter purchase of $25 or more. Publix does take other vendor coupons, so I believe they take Target as well. So sometimes if Publix has like a buy one, get one free on Purina or something like that, you can show them this coupon and they'll give you the $5 Target gift card as well. So that usually can make for some really good deals. TRESemmé, I'm excited that our coupons are back. I know a lot of people ask me about TRESemmé deals. They really love TRESemmé more than the Garnier or the L'Oreal Elvive. So we're getting $1.50 off one for the Pro Collection, $4 off two. Previously we had a $5 off two, but $4 off two still isn't bad. This one is so tiny, $2.50 off two of just the shampoo and conditioner. That is no bueno of a coupon. Vaseline, 2 off 1 for the men's lotion. So I'm assuming that's obviously only men's lotion, not just any lotion. Sometimes at CVS, they'll have a spend $12, get a $4 extra back. The men's lotion, Vaseline is included. I think the larger ones are like $8.79. So we'll see what kind of deals we can put together on that one. And then Zyrtec, $10 off one. That is a really high value coupon, so I'm assuming Zyrtec is super expensive. I've never used it personally, but saving $10, especially if you need that product, that is an amazing coupon. Keep in mind of all the expiration dates. I like to look at those when I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to buy multiple inserts or multiple of the individually clipped coupons. So typically I look online at those two websites, see when they'll be available for purchase, and I try to place my order like Thursday or Friday so that fingers crossed I get them by Saturday so I can use them for my hauls on Sunday and Monday. If you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you drop a comment. Let me know how many inserts, if any, you guys are planning on buying. I will be getting one newspaper and then probably buying additional of the TRESemmé and the Colgate coupons, as well as that Nexxus coupon. I'll definitely be buying a couple multiples of that. Again, it does expire at the end of the month though, so we'll have 2 weeks to use it, but I guarantee you there's going to be some great deals at CVS and Walgreens. So I'm going to want to make sure I have at least 4 of those coupons. Thank you guys so much for watching. A couple additional videos right here if you haven't seen them. Free Ibotta Walmart haul today. You can click on this video in the top left-hand corner. I had a second CVS haul. Everything was absolutely free as well. Paid the remaining balance with Fetch Rewards. So that video is listed right here for you as well if you haven't seen that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.